Welcome to Knowledge Plaza. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and select all and thumbs up for more videos. Namaste. Once again welcome to Knowledge Plaza YouTube channel. It's all about mathematics. So today as in before you to discuss about the topic some applications of trigonometry. Okay. So it is a part of the trigonometry. We are using here the trigonometrical concepts to solve the real world problems and real situational problems which we are facing in every day. Okay, so let us discuss about the topic. Okay, in the last classes we have already studied about the basics of the trigonometrical concepts which are trigonometric ratios and trigonometrical identities and complementary angles of the trigonometric ratios, right? So how we are going to use those concepts in the while solving the problems. Okay, so in this concept today we are going to discuss about the applications of the trigonometry, how we are to apply the trigonometrical concepts while solving the problems. Okay, and the trigonometrical concepts are firstly used by the astronomers to find the distance between the sun and the star, or to find the distance between the earth and some other planets and also the stars. Okay, so they are what the first use the trigonometrical concepts to find the distances and to find their relative terms. Okay, and the trigonometrical concepts are very widely applicable and being used in the fields like navigation, astronomy and the geography. In geography, we are using the trigonometrical concept to construct the maps and to find to locate the areas like Iceland related to the longitude and altitudes. Okay, so to locate the Iceland we are using the trigonometrical concepts, and also to draw the map of a certain area we are using trigonometrical concepts. Okay, and in the survey processes we are using the trigonometrical concepts. Okay, while doing the survey we are using the instrument called a theodolite, which is used to measure the angles which is by the telescope. Okay, and it is firstly used by the British to find the to make sure that the highest peak in the world is Mount Everest was firstly found by the survey, that is George Everest. Okay, so he used the instrument called theodolite, which is a survey instrument. Okay, so in the survey processes we are using the trigonometrical concepts. Okay, so let us discuss some basics of how to use the trigonometrical concepts while solving the problems. So while solving the problems we must have to know the some basics how we are going to apply the trigonometrical concepts to solve the problems. Okay, let us discuss about the concepts, how to use the trigonometrical concepts to solve the problems. Okay, let us discuss about it. So here I am going to consider a figure. Here a man standing just away from the tower. Okay, here is a tower, and let me name this tower as A, B, and here the man is standing. Let me name the C and D is the point. Here the line, imaginary line, is drawn from the eyesight of the man, which is parallel to the ground. Okay, and this line is known as the horizontal level. Okay, horizontal level is the line drawn parallel to the ground, which is from the eyesight of the man standing just away from the tower or the anything building. Okay, now here the imaginary line is drawn from the eyesight of the observer to the top of the tower. Okay, and this line is known as the line of sight. Okay, here there is an angle formed between a line of sight and horizontal line when the man looking above the ground. Okay, when a man looking above the ground, there is an angle formed between horizontal level and the line of sight, and this angle is known as the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation or angle of inclination. Okay, so These are the basic concepts we must have to remember. Angle of elevation is always taken as the angle which is measured above the ground, and it is between the angle of line of sight and the horizontal level when a man looking above the ground to the point where you want to see or where you want to view. Okay, so this is the concept you must have to remember here. The first is line of sight and angle of elevation and horizontal level. Okay, here the height of the man CD is equal to the imaginary distance taken here, that is AE. Okay, if he comes near to the tower, his height is equal to the CD only. Okay, it doesn't changes. Okay, so this concept must be remembered. Okay, let us discuss about the concept by having some examples. So today I am going to discuss about only the angle of inclination or angle of elevation. That means an observer seeing the above the ground. Okay, just raising his head, seeing the above the ground to the point where you want to see. Okay, that is only about the angle of elevation and inclination. Okay, so let us discuss about it by having examples. It's about the example. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Okay, find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Okay, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, okay, and which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole and to the ground. Okay, it is tightly stretched between the pole and the point on the ground. Okay, so let us take as A and B, and this distance is taken as C. Okay, here what they are given, 20-meter long rope. That means the length of the rope is given, that is 20 meter. Okay, and which is the angle made, which makes the angle, that is 30 degrees with the ground. Okay, it is 30 degree, and this is always the 90 degree because the pole stands vertically. Vertically means it is makes the 90 degree only. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the height of the pole. That means AC we need to find. Okay, so here for the angle B, that is the acute angle for which and what the given data is there, we have to find their height. Then it is the opposite side to the angle B, and what they are given, hypotenuse they are given. So which trigonometric ratio we can apply here? We can apply here the hypotenuse and the opposite we have to find, opposite side we have to find. So we can apply here sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is known, and that we need to find that that is opposite. Okay, and the angle is also known. Okay, so let us apply it. So here we are going to apply sin theta. This is equal to opposite. Opposite is AC by AB. AB is the hypotenuse. Okay, sin theta is 30 degree there given, which is equal to AC is H we took, and AB is 20 meter they are only given. Now what we have to find? H is equal to, cross multiply this to the right side, sorry left side, it becomes sin 30 into 20. Okay, now sin 30 value is 1 by 2 into 20. 2 ones are 2 tens. Therefore, height is equal to 10 meter. Therefore, height of the pole is 10 meter. So, very simply we can solve the problems like this way by applying the trigonometrical concepts. Okay, trigonometrical ratios we are using. Okay, when they are giving the side or two sides or angle, or one side with an angle, then we can find the remainings. Okay, which are required. So let us discuss about the concept by having next more example. Let us discuss about the next example. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Here the angle of elevation is given, that is 30 degree, and the point on the ground is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. So here is a tower, AB is a tower, and there is a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot, 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, and it is inclined, or angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, now what we have to find, height of the tower we have to find here. Okay, for the angle C, that means for the angle 30 degree, adjacent side is BC and opposite side is AB. That means we have to find the opposite side. That means height of the tower we have to find here. So what which ratio we can apply here? We can apply here tan theta or cot theta, because opposite by adjacent or adjacent by opposite. Okay, so let us apply the trigonometric ratio here, that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC, opposite by adjacent, related to the angle 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB. AB is H and BC is 30 meter. Okay, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and this 30 is multiplied here, it becomes into 30, which is equal to H. Then H is equal to 30 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 10. Why? 3 can be written as 30 can be written as 3 into 10. Then 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 and into 10. So I wrote here directly. So here root 3 and divided. So root 3 cancels. What is left? H is equal to 10 root 3 meter is the height of the tower. Okay, so whatever the problem they are given, we can solve them by using the trigonometrical concepts, using trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let us discuss about the next example. The next example, that is, a kite is flying at a height 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Slack means the remaining part. Okay, and the question will be on your screen. Okay, so let us discuss about it. Here a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Here is a ground. Okay, the kite is flying above the ground, which is about 60 meter. Okay, kite is flying above the ground, which is 60 meter above the ground. Let us mark these points B and A. Okay, so here, but then what they are given? The angle of inclination of the string with the ground. There is a string which is attached to the kite, which is tied on the ground. So that string is attached to the ground is inclined at an angle 60 degree with the ground. Okay, let us mark this point as C. Okay, and what they are given, what we have to find here, the length of the string. Okay, length of the string, that is L, we need to find here. Okay, so as related to the angle theta, we know that opposite side, and then we can find the hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio can we apply here? We can apply here the trigonometric ratio sin theta. Okay, sin theta is equal to AC by AB by AC. Okay, sin theta angle is given, that is 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is equal to AB, that is 60 meter. They are only given, and length AC. Okay, then Sine 60 degree means it is root 3 by 2, okay, which is equal to 60 by L. Then L is equal to 60 into 2 by root 3, okay. Root 3 is multiplied to the denominator and 2 is multiplied to the numerator. Then 60 can be written as 3 into 20 into 2 by root 3, okay. So here it becomes 40 root 3 meter. Why? You can simplify it. Root 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So one root 3 get cancelled, so we will getting root 3 only. 20 into 2 is 40. 40 root 3 we will getting. Okay. So in this way we have to simplify the we have to get the answer for the given question. So here the length of the string is 40 into root 3 meter. Okay. So let us discuss about the next example. Okay. Let us discuss about the next example, that is a tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meter away. Okay. And away from the foot of the tower. So foot of the tower, that is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower, and that is point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. And then what they given, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Okay, angle of elevation is 60 degree, and find the height of the tower. You need to find the height of the tower. Okay, very simple logically solving question it is. So they are given the base, that is the adjacent side they are given. We need to find the opposite side. Very simple now. So let us find it by applying the trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio can we apply here? We can apply here cot theta, or we can apply tan theta. So let us apply the tan theta now. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. That means opposite by adjacent. So opposite is H by BC is 15 meter, and tan 60 degree. Theta is given, that is 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to H by 15. Then simplify it. Then H is equal to 15 is multiplied to the right side, and it becomes 15 root 3 meter is the height of the tower. Okay. In a very few steps only we get the answer for the long questions like this. Okay. So by applying the trigonometrical concept, we can solve the real situational problems very easily. Okay. So let us discuss about the few more examples. Okay. Let us discuss about the next example, that is an observer 1.5 meter tall is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from an observer is 45 degree. What is the height of the chimney? That means they asked here the height of the chimney, that is H. Okay, that means that AB is the height of the tower that we have to find here. Okay, here what they are given 1.5 meter tall man or observer is 28.5 meter is away from the foot of the or base of the chimney. Okay, and the angle of elevation made by the observer I to the chimney is 45 degree. Okay, here BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. Okay, which is parallel. Since which is parallel, so that's why we have BC is equal to DE, and which is equal to 28.5 meter, and here DC is equal to BE, and DC is equal to BE, which is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, then height of the chimney will be AB is equal to, AB is divided into two parts, that is AE plus BE. AE plus BE. Okay, now we are going to find this part AE, because BE is already known. Okay, so let us find it. So DC is equal to 28.5 centimeter, 28.5 meter. Then we have in triangle ADE, we can find H. Okay, that means AE. So let us find it. So which trigonometric ratio we can apply here? To find H, we can apply tan theta or cot theta. Okay, so let us apply tan 45 degree is equal to AE by DE. Okay, so we need to find the AE. Let us find it. So AE is tan 45 is 1, which is equal to AE as it is, divided by DE. DE is known, that is 28.5. Okay, then AE is equal to 28.5. Then what we have to find here? Height of the chimney, that is AB. So AB is equal to, it is the sum of AE plus DE. BE is known, that is 1.5 plus AE, we found that is 28.5. Therefore, which is equal to 30 meter. AB is equal to 30 meter. That means the height of the chimney is 30 meter from the ground. Okay, so let us discuss about the one more example. Okay, let us discuss about the next example, that is a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground and making an angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where that touches the ground is 8 meter. Okay, find the height of the tree. Here is a tree. Okay, AB is a tree. It cuts due to a storm. Let us take this point as a B dash. Okay, so it bends. It bends and touches the ground at the point C dash. Sorry, C, and which is 8 meter apart from the foot of the tree. Okay, and which makes the angle of inclination at the point 30 degree. Right, now we have to find the height of the tree, that is H. AB we need to find. Okay, to find the height of the tree, firstly we need to find the BC, that is the broken part. Sorry, B dash C, that is the broken part, and AB also we have to find, because AB dash we have to find. Okay, AB is equal to B dash C plus AB dash. Okay, so let us find the B dash C and AB dash. Here it becomes the opposite and it is the hypotenuse. We know the adjacent. So firstly find the B dash C. So in triangle A B dash C, in triangle A B dash C, let us find the hypotenuse firstly, that is B dash C. So which trigonometric ratio can we apply here? Here we can apply the cos theta. Okay, cos theta is equal to that is AC by adjacent by hypotenuse, that is B dash C. Okay, cos 30 degree is equal to AC. AC is we have to find. Sorry, AC is no, that is 8 by B dash C. Okay, now B dash C is equal to 8 by cos 60. Okay, now simplify it. 8 by cos 60 value is cos 30. Cos 30 value is what is the value of cos 30? It's root 3 by 2. Okay, now simplify it, and 2 comes to the numerator and becomes 16 by root 3. Okay, that is B dash C. Now again we need to find AB. So to find AB, what we have to apply, which trigonometric ratio can we apply here? We can apply here tan theta. Okay, so let us apply it. Tan 30 equal to opposite AB, AB dash by CA. Okay, AB dash we need to find. Okay, that is AB dash only divided by AC is known, that is 8. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and this 8 is multiplied to the left side and it becomes 8 is equal to AB dash. Therefore AB dash is equal to 8 by root 3. Okay, now we can find the value of or to find the height of the tree by, look at here, AB is equal to height of the tree is the AB, that is equal to, it has becomes two parts, that is AB dash plus this part is equal to B dash and C, B dash C. So AB dash we found, that is 8 by root 3 plus B dash C also is found, that is 16 by root 3. Okay, now the denominators are same, we can add the numerators, that it becomes a 24 by root 3, right? 24 can be written as 8 3s are 8 into 3 by root 3. Then 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, so it is left 8 root 3. Therefore height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Okay, so by applying the trigonometrical ratio we can find any, we can solve any type of problems. Okay, let us discuss some more examples in the next video, which is on the angle of depression concept. Okay, so let us discuss about it in the next video. Until then, keep watching the channel. If you have any doubts in this video, you may please ask in the comment box. Please concentrate on the study. There is no much time to you guys. So, and the syllabus is ready, so that's why you have a wonderful opportunity to score better and better than your previous years or your seniors did. Okay, so please concentrate on studying and keep watching the study materials. Okay, thank you and keep watching the channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and share to your friends to subscribe the channel. Okay, if you want to get the notify, you may please press the bell icon, which is just side the subscription button. Okay, thank you, keep watching the channel.